I'll be in the garage.
Hey, it's Jeff here, and today I'm going to take you on a little tour here. This is an area that my wife Mandy and I just love. Grimsby Beach in Grimsby, Ontario, about 15 minutes from our house. And this is one of our favorite areas to go in the summertime, right near Lake Ontario. And if you take this set of stairs down, you're going to end up at a really nice, rocky, secluded beach. It's a great place to set up your lawn chair in the summer and relax, or you can even go swimming when it's warm. And what makes Grimsby Beach really cool is a lot of the houses in the area there are historic, and they're painted in these super bright colors, which is really cool. Now, this little park is right in the middle of the historic area. It's got this bell that's got a history to it. You could probably read all about that online. And you're going to see what Mandy really likes in a second here. This is one of these historic houses that's got gingerbread trim all over it, and it's painted in these really bright colors. And when I shot this stuff, it was actually just getting close to Halloween. So there's decorations out. Ooh, a spooky beheaded bride. That's really cool. A couple more houses with the beautiful trim on them. And more Halloween decorations, the creepy skeleton. And maybe that's just somebody who lost their head, or maybe it is a Halloween decoration. I'm not really sure. Now this house here, this has to be one of Mandy's favorites. It's really nice. Super bright yellow. Awesome. They got a fantastic backyard. It's almost like Mandy designed the color scheme there. She really likes it. It's almost like it's from Key West, Florida. Now they have a real community spirit there. They have these little info booths where you can read stuff about the beach. They've got lending libraries. Just seems like the people in the area there really love living there. Oh, this guy is really cool. He built his own tiki bar in this alleyway, and it's really fun. I like the people put out their Halloween decorations. That's really fun. Now this is another one of the circles of houses, and it has one of my favorites, this one, because I really like the fence. I like what these people did. They made it look like a picket fence of pencil crayons. I love that. Gee, I really like these colors too. Man, I'd love to have a house that was painted up bright like that, but I don't know if our neighbors would like it. They might freak out on us. Maybe we'll do it anyways. Who cares? Oh, it's a great shot with the sun coming through the fall leaves. Beautiful day out there.
I love it. So nice.
Oh, Mandy loves it so much. Anyways, thanks for watching. If you ever get a chance, go out to Grimsby Beach, Ontario.